Hey guys, today is a Friday and a special day for Norwegians because every Friday Norwegians love to make tacos. So let's try to make tacos today with me. Here's some mozzarella what I found. It will be perfect for our tacos. Look what I found. It's the fern sprouts. Let's try them out. After 1.5 hours of hiking, at last I'm in my secret camping place right here, and it's time to make some food. Alright, today we are making langoustine tacos. So for that we're gonna use some salsa. For salsa we're gonna use fresh tomato, fresh paprika, some lime, some wild garlic, salt and olive oil. Now it's time to chop everything and mix. Right now we have our shock wraps, tortilla, salsa and lime, everything ready. It's time to fry it. Time to open some beer. Alright, now when everything is ready, it's time to eat. And I forgot one extra taco. Our wild asparagus. Cheers. So good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.